Good morning, everybody. We have a new incoming vehicle. This is a 2011 Lotus Evora with only 40,000 miles. We'll do a quick walk around and go over the damage. Pretty nice vehicle. Just came in. As you can see, the damage is to the right front and right front suspension. We'll do a quick walk around. As you can see, most of the damage is to the right front suspension. We'll take a little closer look in a minute. Doors back is pretty clean. Got a little action on the rear bumper there. Looks like some paint work. The rear suspension looks good. It's an Evora S. Bumper needs to be offline over here, just needs to be fastened. Everything looks good on this side. Headlight looks good. Bonnet looks good. Front bumper reinforcement looks good. Let's get to the damage. So front bumper reinforcement is good. This frame rail looks perfect here. Alright, so now the suspension is damaged. So you need looks like a low arm. You're gonna have to buy that bracket that attaches to the frame rail where the suspension mounts onto. You need a tie rod end. Upper control arm looks good. You're gonna need a spindle and a rim, but I don't see anything structurally wrong with the vehicle. Windshield is broken from the airbag deploying. Let's see, didn't get into the rocker. Pretty good. This fender piece you're gonna have to replace. Caliper and rotor are good. We'll probably order a control arm so we can get the vehicle to drive. Pull the suspension forward just to get it up on all fours. Morning, Herman. Let's take a look inside. Interior is in good shape. You need 2 airbags. It's a stick shift. Pretty nice, well kept, well maintained vehicle. And I don't know how to open the trunk. Still trying to figure that out. So I can show you the engine compartment. This is a mid-engine vehicle. You guys could comment below, tell me how to do it. I'd be more than happy to. Post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.